Confidence and trust building. Students coming from any cultural background and any community must have trust in their school and their teachers that they will be heard by the school authorities. Even if there is a violent act in the school that has taken place by the children as a result of some frustration because there were negative feelings about the community or the school, or there was child abuse in the school, anything that happens, the student and the child must have trust and confidence in the school, in their community, and in their family. If they are not having this confidence, that means they are not going to talk about the issue which has come up to be a result of some unfair treatment by the school authorities or parents, or some kind of frustration which has led to that particular act. So whether they are coming from any cultural background or any economic status, they should have the trust that when they will talk to their parents, the parents are going to listen to them and accept the problem. Also, they should have a trust that school will be treating them fairly. Whatever is the matter and whatever is the concern, it will be discussed by the school authorities with the student to find out a solution. Also, the community members need to listen to the students if they have a problem in the community. And if any kind of violent act takes place in the community, the students must have the confidence and they must have the trust that everybody in the community, the school, and at home will be treating them fairly. And because of this trust, they will try to be very honest with all the explanations that they give in front of people. Once they are heard, they can understand their feelings better. Once the students are heard by the authorities, that is the school, the community, and the teacher and the parent, then they can understand their feelings better. Why? Because the students are going to express everything that they have. They would like to express their opinions freely because they are not threatened that nobody will believe them. They have full trust in these bodies, and that is why they will tell everything so that the school, the teacher, the parent, the community leader, everybody will be able to understand what was the reason of that particular act. They also get the opportunity to analyze their problem and their feelings once they are heard. It is a very interesting thing that when we have an opportunity to speak, sometimes while speaking, we get more ideas about what we are talking. Sometimes our words, which are being heard by other people, give us different meanings at the time when we are speaking. When we are uttering those words, we get another meaning of it, another interpretation of the words that we are using. So it is a very practical process that when you listen to people, they themselves can analyze the situation. They themselves can find out a solution to what they are talking about. Maybe this idea did not occur to them before, but while listening to their own words, they start thinking about other things. While the people are listening to what they are explaining, they get other interpretations of the same words that they were using before. But at that particular time, this brain process is such a process. It is amazing to see how people start having different meanings to their own thoughts, which they had earlier, but the idea did not occur at that time. And therefore, they are able to analyze the situation in a much better way than they were not really doing earlier. And they are able to find a better solution which they did not think of before.